born in this world to be a slave? Am I born to die? Good morning to you all. I am Reed Kaur of class 9th of Akal Academy. Shri Muktsar Sahib is here to discuss on the topic discrimination. What is discrimination? Discrimination is the act of making distinctions between human beings based on groups, classes, or other categories to which they are perceived to belong. People may discriminate on the basis of age, caste, gender identity, social class, as well as other categories. Discriminatory policies, ideas, and laws exist in many countries and institutions in all over the world. The term discriminate was early used in 17th century in the English language. It is derived from the Latin word discriminate, which means distinguished between. There are many types of discrimination such as disability discrimination, caste discrimination, linguistic discrimination, religious discrimination, racial discrimination, and discrimination against drug addicts. Today we are going to discuss about gender discrimination. Gender discrimination is the type of discrimination which is based on the gender of the person. Usually, women are treated differently from men and unequally than men in their education, career, economic advancement, and political influences. It is a common type of discrimination that is happening throughout the world, even in the developed countries. The question of concern is, why does this discrimination occurs? The root cause seems to be our culture. It is through our culture that the work of man is community and the work of women is at home. Women are not just considered to be physically weak, but they are considered to be weak than men in everything when compared with men. The gender discrimination exists in many different types in all over the world. Most common types that we experience on a daily basis are: women are deprived of the basic rights at the workplace and often harassed by the co-workers just because they are females. There have been many situations in which men and women perform same type of work, but still employers don't give equal pay to women as compared to men. In case of a woman is pregnant, some employers do not like to take their interview. Many females at their workplace hide their pregnancy just because of the fear of getting fired. Along with government laws, tradition plays a big role in this problem. In many countries, it is a custom for boys to go to school and girls to stay at home. People believe that the work of women is to cook, clean, look after the children, and be a desirable wife. A young girl's learning environment is at home, when she can inherit skills from her mother. Female infanticide is the deliberate killing of newborn female children. It is a major cause of concern in several nations such as India, China, and Pakistan. Dowry system in India is one given reason for female infanticide. In India, at least 2,000 girls are killed in womb every day. An honor killing or shame killing is the murder of a member of a family due to perpetrators' belief that the victim has brought shame or dishonor upon the family. Honor killing has been reported in the northern regions of Indian states such as Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. Domestic violence is violence or other abuse in a domestic setting such as marriage or cohabitations. It involves violence against children, parents, and elderly. To tackle with this problem, many laws were imposed by the government to ensure the safety of women. The government is not only responsible to sort this problem, it has become a need of an hour to come forward and fight for our rights. the strong woman stands up for herself. We should open new schools, provide quality element education, make the women aware about acts made by government, ensure for economic independence of women empowerment. So, if women are empowered, there is no doubt that we can achieve anything we like. Rather than talking about discrimination, it's the time to initiate that actually works. Only then the difference will be visible. You cannot sit at back and let the things happen on their own. And even the women should come these themselves. This can bring a revolution for which we are waiting for a long time. Thank you.